I I'm just so grateful. What are you thankful for, Thomas? I'm thankful for that I have just thankful that I have you guys. Because you guys are my best friends in the whole entire universe. And that will never ever change. Well, I'm thankful, Thomas.
Is you too?
And I'm thankful that I get to stay here. You guys. I'm thankful for my splendid coaches because I like them and they're really nice. And I'm thankful for my splendid red paintwork. Of course you are. Of course you are, James. You're always talking and showing off about your splendid red paintworks, and I'm also glad that I'm with you guys. You guys are my best friends. Yeah. Thanks. Yeah. It's nice being with you guys.